What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to move the deals in the deal sections. So for that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. The links will be in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. So here you guys can see that I have one of the deal in my qualified section. How I can actually move it to the demo scheduled option, because there are a bunch of different sort of a list there where I can move the one deal from one stage to another. Either I can simply press left key on it and drag and drop it where I want to, because there's multiple option that it's been delete, last one, move to. If I go move to, then there will be different stages: demo schedule, completed, proposal made, negotiations, and contract signed. So if I go ahead and click on add and then save, it will automatically move it to the negotiation list. So this is how you guys can do it as well. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.